In this video, let's talk about some of the ways that we can actually use segments in Google Analytics. Now I'm going to pop into our analytics. We already have the page pulled up. We're in the demographics and overview, and we're looking at the age and gender of our users during a specific date range. I'm going to click where it says Add Segment, and we're going to take a look at different segments to see if we can get some insights from our age group and our demographic information. So the very first thing I'm going to do is we're going to create a new segment. And I'm going to go into conditions here, and we're going to say I just want to find source medium. So let's say where the source is Google Organics, that's our search traffic. So we're going to do that, and this will just be search traffic. Now, Google does have built-in segments. Of course, organic is one of them already. So I'm just showing you as an example how to create segments, but you don't necessarily have to do it. It might already exist in Google itself. I'm going to add one more segment here, and let's take one of their examples. Let's see if there's other traffic that might be interesting. How about paid traffic? So we'll do that. So there's our organic traffic. So they're defining that as medium organic. We're just looking at Google Analytics in particular. And this is paid traffic. And they're showing you this is how they determine paid traffic, right? You can use their built-ins. You can create your own. Again, just know that segments are incredibly versatile. They are amazing tools. And I'm going to drag and drop this out of the way because I don't want all users. I just want to see our search traffic and our paid traffic. And I'm looking for anything that might be interesting between the two. So right away, if I'm looking at this from an analysis standpoint, I kind of see that orange, which is our paid traffic, slightly higher on the user count. So 27, 24. We've got 35% versus 43%, so a little higher on search traffic there. Looks like for the 25 to 34 demographic, 18 versus 19, 6, 11, maybe a little bit higher there on some of that. And then down here, it gets a little more apparent where on my search traffic versus paid traffic, my search traffic, mostly male, right? 68% coming in male, and my paid traffic a little less. So I've got 40% female coming in from paid traffic. That says to me there could be some interesting things here. So males are doing a lot of the searches coming through, but potentially females might be something there's maybe a targeted campaign potentially that are bringing in the gender of female. So it's something to take a look at. But slicing and dicing by either people that are buying, people that have transactions with no revenue, people that have transactions with 500 revenue, people that achieve certain goals, right? There's all sorts of different segments that you can create, slice and dice your data, and compare and break down your reports. It's absolutely a must-use tool for Google Analytics. Let me know how you are actually using what you've learned in this video to improve your own marketing efforts. And also, of course, if you like topics like this, be sure to like this video and also subscribe to the CXL channel. That way you'll be notified whenever a new video is available.